Hey everyone, Aja here from Panda Monium. We're in Lake Havasu. We've come to IHOP because I was craving some breakfast. Ooh, thick and fluffy French toast. That looks really good. Oh my god, so much to choose from. Ooh, 2x2x2. So you get 2 of everything and 2 pancakes also. Jeff got the omelet and that sucker is huge. Oh, that's a lot going on there. And some hash browns. I got the strawberry banana French toast with 2 eggs and bacon. Hey moo-moo, isn't it a beautiful day today? It is really nice today. There's a slight breeze. It's beautiful and sunny, about 70 degrees, so I need to shed some of these layers. Our friend Colleen is having some issues with her solar, and it's her connectors. So I just grabbed some MC4 connectors. They had used the wire nuts, which are not good for a 12-volt system. So we're going to put the proper ones on there. Actually, I think Donnie's going to change them out for her. I just got to get the crimper. Stop. Proper MC4 crimping tool. She has the panels like I had on Panda, where they're on the side, but they put junction boxes with wire nuts, so they're going to change that. The Donnie hour, he's stripping back the wires, and that way he can put new connectors in, and he'll have new bare wire instead of the old stuff that was kind of burnt and melty looking. Is this the viewing committee over here?
No, we're a quality control.
Oh, quality control.
Sure, OSHA's not around.
Also known as the Peanut Gallery.
Yes. Wait, didn't they have the Peanut Gallery in the Muppet Show?
Yeah.
The 2 old men that sat up in the balcony?
No.
You can't say peanut gallery anymore.
Why?
I don't know. It's one of those things you can't say.
Because the peanuts get offended? What?
Allergies. It's against
Oh, I apologize.
peanut correct.
Pretzel gallery.
I still got to do this.
Yeah, I just want to see if this one's like, oh, you need to do that. Okay.
Yeah, there's a couple of accidents on 40 between
Tight fit there. There you go. Old box saw. Now he's plugging in the positive side of it, and then we're gonna check the charge controller.
I don't like it. The whole part.
There's one.
Lift it up.
The handle where you lift it is at the very bottom.
And 2.
You have to lift it up.
Oh, you got the other side?
Yep.
Alright, I'll go check the
Okay.
charge controller. Oh, wait, hold on. Where's it at? And, yep, it's working. Oh, yeah, 34. Well, 35.
I think that's because the one panel's up and the
Oh, is it? Okay. Yeah, because it's only bringing in 35 instead of 40. Nice. Well, at least it's working. Okay, so everything is working. It's producing over 40 volts, and it was bringing in 360 watts. So good. Good job, Tawny.
Thanks.
What are we supposed to do now? You told everybody else what to do, and you just left us sitting here.
Well, I thought y'all were going to clap after it was done, at least.
Yeah.
You could have gave him a little
All right,
clap.
we'll give Colleen the clap.
Okay, yeah, give her the clap.
Oh my God.
Oh, here comes the wind. Perfect timing. Jason!
Yeah.
Here you go, thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
Here's your box back.
Oh, thank you. I
You're
really wanted my empty box.
It's not empty.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Yep.
Did he leave you out here, huh, Kellogg? Are you taking a break from Kellogg? Here's your tool. Oh, you didn't want to come inside? No? Okay, here you go. Thank you. Okay, tool up. Job done. Oh God, it's already 1 o'clock. I am cooking up some BLT wraps. Oh, bacon, good. There we go, BLT's done, and the tomatoes are from the garden back home. What you waiting for, Kellogg, huh? Do you smell the bacon? Here you
Smells
go.
like bacon all over out here. Thank you.
You're welcome. Got it?
Look at that.
He's like, I'll come share with you. We've come here to the airport in Lake Havasu. Here to Hangar 24, Craft Brewery. Oh, look at all the hang gliders in there. A bunch of us are meeting here for a friend's birthday. Oh, what? Oh, dogs are allowed on the patio. Oh, I could have brought moo-moo. Well, I ordered a Philly and cheesesteak to eat, and then I got a margarita, but they have music going here, so I won't be able to talk much. We have two birthdays. It's Donnie's and Mike's. It's also our friend's birthday, Sue. Happy birthday, Sue. Look at their corn dogs. They're bacon wrapped with honey. That's awesome. How is it? Is it good? I got the same thing Colleen's got. She said it's really messy. Is it good though?
It's really good, yeah.
Philly cheese with side of mayo.
Oh, cool. Here. Alright, we got our food and I'm gonna try the corn dog. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh, it's running. That is delicious. Oh my god, I've always wanted a gypsy wagon. Look at that one. It's a modern gypsy wagon. That's super cool. Oh, I like the fold-down porch and... Oh my god, I want one. I want one. I'm gonna trade my rig in for that. That's super cool. We made it back to camp. I'm in my rig, but look what I got. A lemon tree. I always wanted to grow an indoor lemon tree because they don't do very well in the cold, so I want to keep this one inside. And look, it's already producing a lemon. Still green. And also, I'm going to plant herbs. I think just parsley in the bottom of this. Either parsley or oregano. I haven't decided yet, but I have bought the seed packets and I am going to start it from seed instead of doing it from plants. Is Holly trying to attack the panda? Holly, chill.
So I made up this little speech this morning, but
Uh-huh.
I've been a fan of yours for such a long time. I'd like
It doesn't have anything to do with you being a panda, does it?
I'd like you to have my firstborn.
Oh, thank you. He's so cute. I'll take good care of him.
I know you will.
Holly.
I'm sure you'll find a place for this.
That's who's under the mask. Say hey. Oh, stay. Stay. This will make the second panda head that I have, and I have tons of panda bears. I guess I should have thought of that before I named my channel Pandemonium. But if y'all didn't know who that was Jerry from JC Travels on YouTube. I bought a window planter, but I'm going to use it on the inside because obviously I can't use it on the outside since I travel. And I still have to fill it with soil and put the seeds in it. These are the 3 lettuce I'm going to use in the window box. You've got the arugula, the romaine lettuce, and the baby leaf spinach. Like I said, I'm not sure which one I want to use for the lemon tree. It's either the parsley or the oregano. I'm kind of leaning towards the parsley. Oh, I forgot I actually bought 2 kind of oregano. There's the vulgare and then the Greek. So I might actually do these in with the lemon tree and just do 2 different types on each side of the pot. Here are my other plants. I've got a pepper that I'm overwintering, and I'll put that back in the ground once we get back to the property. Also an eggplant, and I have some Swiss chard here as well.
Pick up the missing pieces. What if
just broadcasted the oregano seeds in there, the 2 different kinds. I'm just watering them in. Yay, I'm so excited. I love lemons, so I do lemon water every morning, so this should be awesome. Once it gets established too, it should start producing much better. I'm gonna leave that outside for several days and keep it watered so the seeds have a chance to germinate. I just have to do the lettuce tray now.
Cold for that tree, isn't it?
No, they can go to like 30 degrees. Yeah, then I put it inside. I'm gonna make some grooves for the seeds. Since there's 3 different kind, do 3 different rows. There we go. Put this to the back. Arugula next. One of my favorite salad greens. And then spinach. I got everything planted and I left it outside. It's already nighttime and I have some editing to get done. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me during this video. If you haven't already subscribed, you can do so over here and also check out Patreon. And if you want to see more videos, there'll be some listed over here. Once again, thank you and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Love you guys out there. Mwah. Good night.